Hi. Are you considering selling a house and downsizing to a smaller home or a senior living community? I'd like to invite you to get a free copy of my book, Stress Free Home Downsizing, a senior's guide to selling your house and simplifying your life. In the book, we go into is it time to even think about downsizing, as well as the professionals that help with the downsizing process, such as home caregivers, senior move managers, senior placement agents, estate sale and auction professionals, elder care and estate attorneys, senior community managers, medical social workers, hospital ombudsman, paying for the care that you deserve, turning downsizing into delight almost, a reality check before selling a house, the options for selling a house, and finding the right real estate professional for your unique needs. To get a free copy of our book, Stress Free Home Downsizing for you, just go to homedownsizing solutions.com and contact us through there for your free book. Thank you.